Hello! So planning in my happy planner just makes me happy. I think it's all of the colors and all of the stickers. This is my new planner and I was going to do a video of it, the plan with me, but my video did not record for some reason, so I'm going to be doing my plan with me this week in my mini planner, which still makes me happy. And I can take my mini planner with me anywhere, and also it doesn't require as many stickers as the larger versions. So this week I'm going to be planning for my last week of long-term sub job, and in order to get me through the week I thought a little bit of sparkly washi tape would make me happy. Tomorrow, Wednesday, is my last day to get coffee. Not ever, actually. My last day to get free Starbucks coffee. So I bought one of those Starbucks mugs that you get a free coffee every day of the week, every day of the month in January. So that has been awesome. This weekend my friend is coming into town, so we are going to be doing some fun things. Not sure what yet, but it'll be great. Whether we go out or we stay in, probably we will stay in. We're both introverts, so and then, actually, this is now Wednesday. I had more technical difficulties. I couldn't upload on Monday, so yes, today, actually, I took my dog Holiday into the vet, and she's pretty sick, hoping she's going to get better. But yeah, that is almost it. I'm just going to add a verse here, and I had more technical difficulties because the video cut off. So this is the finished week. And that's it. I hope you have a great week. Happy planning!